If you're ready to start trading on Bybit but don't know where to begin, this video is for you. From creating your account and completing verification to opening your first futures position, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Also, don't forget to check the comments for a trading fee discount and bonus link before you get started.
How to sign up. I will explain the sign-up process right away. When you click the link in the description, the Bybit sign-up screen will appear. When you enter the page, and the referral code field already has the code shown on the screen applied. The 20% fee cashback code has been applied. If you sign up without a referral code, you will not receive this benefit. So I strongly recommend applying the referral code. You can sign up using either an email address or a mobile phone number. Trade notifications and deposit.
And withdrawal alerts will be sent to the registered ID.
Using an ID that you check frequently will be much more convenient. Please enter the email address or mobile phone number you want to use. I will try signing up with an email. If possible, using a Google email is more stable. Next, you need to set a password. And there are some strict requirements. You must meet all 3 conditions: at least 8 characters, at least 1 uppercase letter, and at least 1 number. Passwords containing only uppercase letters are not allowed. A complex password including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers is required. Please also refer to the subtitle example shown in the video. When you click Next,
a verification email will be sent to the email address you entered.
Go to your inbox, copy the verification code, and paste it. If you do not receive the email, make sure to check your spam folder. If it is still not there, it may be a temporary server delay. So wait a few minutes and check again. After completing email verification, enter the code and the sign-up process will be completed. Now let's move on to the KYC identity verification process. How to complete KYC identity verification. After completing sign-up,
the identity verification request screen will appear automatically. Click Start Identity Verification to proceed. Identity verification is mandatory, not optional.
If you do not complete it,
deposits, withdrawals, and trading will be restricted.
You must complete this step. Select your country of residence on the first screen. Agree to the terms and proceed to the next step. On the next screen, select the first step, identity verification. You can choose one of the following verification methods:
national ID, driver's license, passport, or residence permit. I will explain using a national ID as an example.
If your PC does not have a webcam, you must proceed on a mobile device. A message will appear guiding you to continue on mobile. Scan the QR code using the Bybit app to switch to mobile. Install the Bybit app on your smartphone.
Follow the instructions to photograph the front of your ID.
Then photograph the back side as well. If the camera focus is blurry or there is strong light reflection, the capture may fail.
Place the ID on a flat surface with a bright background and capture it clearly without reflection.
After completing the capture, facial verification will proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions for any required expressions or movements. Once completed, the identity verification process will be finished. Now, let's move on to spot trading. Spot trading. Now, I will explain how to do spot trading on the Bybit main screen. Go to Trade and then Spot to see tradable coins. First, select any coin and enter the spot trading screen. You can select a different coin again from the left side. Now, let's proceed with spot trading. In spot trading, you can choose between limit and market orders. There is no difference in fees, so choose whichever you prefer. For a market order, enter the quantity and press the buy button. The trade will be executed immediately. You can then check the coin in your wallet.
Selling works the same way.
Enter the quantity and press the sell button. Closing. In today's video, I explained how to use the Bybit exchange from start to finish. This included sign-up, identity verification, spot trading. Even beginners should be able to use it without issues. By following along. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Thank you.